Hi, I'm Dallas Sharpe, and this year I'm the coordinator for the Show Me Your Math project at Allison Bernard Memorial High School. Our project this year is based on chi-square tests, and you may know that chi-square tests are statistical tests that are used to differentiate expected values and observed values. Like for example, if you throw a coin 100 times, you could expect that you get 50 heads and 50 tails, but that's maybe not what you actually get. The chi-square test can determine whether the difference between the observed values and the expected values were just caused by a random chance or sampling error, or if there's actually a trend behind them. Chi-squared is something that's it's not taught in high school. It's very simple, and like I said, it's something that's going to be used. It has far-reaching applications in biology. I remember in a biology course we used it to determine the genotype of corn. You can use it in customer service. You can use it in quality assurance. Many fields use chi-square tests.
My name is Carter Chiasson. I'm a grade 11 student, and I'm in Show Me Your Math. The reason I love math is because math is always challenging me and it's always letting me learn something else. I found it very interesting how there's a null hypothesis and an alternate hypothesis. Basically, these two hypotheses state, for example, the null hypothesis just states that there's no real difference in your data or your information, it's completely random. And that the alternate hypothesis is not at random and there is a real difference to your data. So it just amazed me how math could do this, because as far as I know, math has always been numbers and like determining certain heights of things and just numbers, and that was it. I never thought that it would give me like words. So like for this it's saying that there is a difference or there isn't a difference, and how all these numbers add up to like a decision.
For our tests or for our project, we did some various surveys. What people's favorite holidays are, what people's favorite drinks are, what people's favorite genre on Netflix is.
Hi, my name is Nichelle Gugu. I'm a grade 12 student at Allison Bernard Memorial High School, and I am participating in Show Me Your Math this year. Basically, for this video and for the experiment we conducted, we went around to each class at Allison Bernard Memorial High School and took a survey about our favorite holidays. We had 8 holidays. Chi-square is used to decide whether there is a significant difference between the expected values and observed values in an experiment or survey. The first thing to do is to write it out. Null hypothesis is what you try to disprove. For us, it means that there is no real difference between expected and observed. Alternate hypothesis is when there is a real difference between observed and expected values. The third thing we do, gather data and tally up observed frequencies for each category.
The kids found it very, very interesting. One student, we did some examples on the board prior to doing the actual test, one student said, math can really do that, and that struck me as kind of powerful, because now that this is something that students are seeing math as being a science rather than something that you just do. It's something that's, it's tangible, it's not dry, and it's like I said, it's a science. It's something that people, use some advanced math, and it seems very cutting edge. And I find the students really got some engagement out of that. And I hope that this project can be used by other teachers, or similar project can be used by other teachers who are doing the Math 12 and are kind of at a loss for what to do for the mathematical research project.